I had my Corvette out at Firebird Raceway this past weekend at the Halloween Classic. I ran in the heavy class and had one of the best times that I've ever had in this car. I ran a 12.166 quarter mile. I ended up losing the race because I broke out. I ran a full 0.2 of a second faster than what I set for my dial-in, and I could have had a better reaction time. But also my competitor had a great 0-0 reaction time. At any rate, here is the race. Well, I don't know what happened there. It looks like he got the win light. I don't think I red lit. The only thing is possibly I broke out. If I did, it would be faster than I've ever run. It felt like a good run. I had my dial-in set at 12:36, so we'll get the time slip and find out what that is. But man, I'm going to be bummed out. Because it felt really good, and I was the first one across the finish line. I suspect it was a breakout. The only other possible thing could be that I red lit, but I didn't see the red light come on. So anyway, we'll find out here in a minute. Let's see, my reaction time left a little bit to be desired at 0.188, but I had a pretty good quarter mile ET at 12.166. I'm proud of that 60-foot time at 1.817, and even my miles per hour at the 8th mile was 92.46. Overall, 115.27 miles an hour in the quarter. In any case, thank you for watching.